If you are not subscribed at my channel, please press the subscribe button mga ka-SG Pinoy at paki-like na rin ang ating mga video. Okay, what's up mga ka-SG Pinoy? Another episode of unboxing. Today is a red box. This one is Nike Dunk Low Retro. Okay, so it's a US size 10 for male. Let's open up. And there it is. So it's a Dunk Low, just released March 4th, 2022. It's a pure platinum gray wolf colorway. Okay, main color is gray, and then the main body is platinum, pure platinum, and then the ice tie, the toe guard, and the boxing is wolf gray in color. It's a pure leather. The shoes is white color, so it's a combination of pure platinum, white, and wolf gray, three-tone Dunk Low. The midsole is white all around, and then the outsole is gray, platinum gray in color. Wolf gray in color. There's no extra lace, so it's just a white lace. The inside also wolf gray in color. It's a soft fabric inside. Okay, so let's enjoy the shoes. Thanks for watching mga ka-SG Pinoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating mga videos. See you again on the next video. Goodbye!